right, world history students. Today we are going to learn how to create a Google site if you are not sure how to do that or have done it and don't remember. So this quick little tutorial will help you get familiar with how to create it. And of course, if you have any questions, please reach out to your world history teacher. I'm sure they will be able to help you create the Google site. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to sites.google.com. And for some of you, it may take you back to the old sites. I don't know why it does that. But down here on the left-hand side at the very bottom, it says New Google Sites, and that's where you want to go. All right, so just like with anything else in Google, you look for the plus button to create a new site. So you give it a second to do that. And then you want to title your site. I would always get in the habit of titling things that you are going to turn in with your last name and then the title of the assignment. So this is Fairchild. And we're going to say, I'm going to do my website this time around on Shintoism. All right, so we're going to title this Shinto, and we'll move from there. So this is your home page. This is where you're going to put kind of like an overview. Think of this as like your opening essay paragraph, just what the website's about. I would definitely put pictures. You know, a good website has pictures. You can choose your different layouts over here. I want to do this one with the picture and the text on the side. All right, so let's say I want to add a page. I want to have a page about kami, because kami are important to Shinto. So all you do is you click on that plus button, title what you want it to be, and then you notice it comes up over here. So let's do that one more time. I want to create a web page on the Torii Gates. So it's T-O-R-I Gates, and done. Now the themes, I wouldn't worry too much about these because I would be finding my own images. You would go to, so let's say I want to put an image in here, back here about the Torii Gate. So I'm going to open up another page. I'm going to type in Torii Gate, and let's see what comes up. I'm sure I click on images. Let's do, I don't know, let's just do this one for the fun of it. All right, so I don't think you can copy and paste into it. You got to save it. So I'm going to save the image as, oh, you can keep it as download. That's fine. I save things to my desktop. That way I can go back and delete them pretty easily. All right, so I want to change the image. I'm going to upload. I'm going to select that. I'm going to hit open. And let's see here. Let's make it a large banner so I can see more of it. And there you go. So here I would insert my text box. Let's say I just want to do a plain old text box, and I would start typing here about the importance of Torii Gates in the Shinto religion. Now, of course, when you're finished, you're going to hit publish, and then you can put the link to your homepage in the form that we gave you, or you can attach it if your teacher made it into an assignment. That's fine as well. I hope this helped. And of course, if you have any questions, please reach out to your teacher.